Are you thinking about buying a home but don't know where to start? You need an agent who is there to protect you and who has your best interest at heart. Hi, I'm Sudie Hsu with Coldwell Banker Realty. I've worked with many buyers throughout the years, helping them secure their dream homes. There are many pieces to buying a home, and if you're not careful, it can cost you thousands of dollars. The seller has an agent representing them and their best interest, and you need one too. I'm here to guide you through every step of the way, from finding you the perfect home and making professional recommendations as to what you should or shouldn't throughout every phase of the transaction. I guide you through making an offer, on positioning yourself on getting your offer accepted, even when there are competing offers. I make suggestions on what you should and shouldn't be asking for, financing strategies, what inspections you should have, repairs, and what is customary for the seller to pay. I go over contingencies and more. I'm here to hold your hand and guide you through the entire process to ensure you make the right choice so you don't have to spend money unnecessarily. I'm here to be your support system and a lifelong friend, even after I give you the keys to your new home. Please reach out and let me help you on your way to a homeownership. I've got you covered. I'm Sudie Hsu with Coldwell Banker Realty. Keep it simple, keep it real.